This content is brought to you by Blind Help Project, www.blindhelp.net, envisioning a brighter tomorrow through the lens of technology. Click the subscribe button and visit our website for more information.
Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. You are watching the Blind Help Project official YouTube channel, and this is your host Arslan Anwar. And in our today's video we are going to discuss an issue with the Notepad application in Windows 11. Well, if you are a user of Windows 11, you will definitely know that the Notepad application is just got updated from the Microsoft Store and they have changed its behavior. So some of the people are not satisfied with that behavior. So if you are the person who is also not satisfied or dissatisfied with this behavior, here I come with the solution. In this video we'll discuss how we can fix this issue, or we can get the Notepad's classic behavior. In order to do this task, we'll open Notepad first.
Run dialog, type the name of a program, Notepad.
Here we go.
Text on desktop list, top sleep, Notepad, text editor, document blank.
Here is Notepad. Let me type something here.
KIS space NOTEPAD. This is Notepad.
So if I will close the Notepad, it will close without asking to save or don't save. Let me close this by pressing Alt F4.
Ops 30.0.2 profile untitled scenes.
So here we go. Notepad is closed. Let me reopen it.
Star is Notepad, Notepad, text editor, document, this is Notepad.
And the text which I have wrote before is still written in the file, and Notepad is opened from the last session. So let me discuss how this issue can be fixed. For this purpose, we will go to the Notepad settings by pressing Alt S.
App theme group collapsed.
Here are the settings. First option is about theme. You can change the theme to change look and feel of the Notepad application. Press tab once.
Font group collapsed.
Here is the font group where you can change the font family, font size, font style, and so on and so forth. Press tab again.
Word wrap toggle button pressed.
It is about word wrap something. Press tab.
Opening files combo box, open in a new tab, collapse, choose where your files are open.
Opening file. It is selected to open new files in tabs. So press spacebar here and we will change this to Windows.
Space, open in a new tab 1 of 2, open in a new tab 1 of 2.
Press down arrow once.
Open in a new window not selected 2 of 2.
Open in a new window. Press spacebar.
Space, opening files combo box, collapse, choose where your files are open.
Yes, here we go. It is selected. Press tab once.
When Notepad starts, grouping collapsed.
When Notepad starts, press spacebar here.
Space expanded.
Press tab once.
Open content from the previous session, radio button check 1 of 2.
Here it is. Open content from the previous session. It is selected. Press down arrow.
Open a new window, radio button check 2 of 2.
Open a new window. Yes. Press tab until you find back button. Click on the back button.
Back button. Space, text editor, document, this is Notepad.
Yes, here we go. Let's close Notepad and we'll see if Notepad will show the dialog to save or don't save.
Notepad dialog, Notepad, do you want to save changes to this Notepad.txt, save button Alt S.
Yes, we have successfully done. Press don't save button.
Don't save button Alt N. Space.
If we will open Notepad again, we will see the Notepad will not start from the previous session or will not load the previous files.
Untitled Notepad, text editor, document blank.
Here we are in Notepad now. Notepad isn't opened the previous session. Press Control tab to check whether any other tab is opened in Notepad or not. Yes, so none of the tabs are open except this one. Close it again. So here was the quick podcast. I hope that you learned a lot from this podcast and it helped you to get rid of this issue. Take a good care of yourself. We will meet you in another video. Allah Hafiz Nasir.
Subscribe to our channel and keep visiting www.blindhelp.net for the latest software, articles, tutorials, and demonstrations. Participate in our discussion forum and interact with us via our social media outlets.